mwiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kionsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama bati alia aye chigage emeronge bire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate igani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumu chuligo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ijuma ingia ya tariki ya 2021 mutinyo gatatu mwaka w'ekiri 2025 uyake gima mwanchi umurigiro Getembe TV na gusogeire andonse asore Chinsa ni Isano na Ibere cyabona mugaso nekine Ekeonga kya mayia Ekeonga kya mwamugusi ikaranso ike inkomanyama ya kuro Chinsinyo imeneskero ngoragusi ntenka Nyaboga wiso ni makori kuro somuno bimajerero kaba na intwe weka omwario MC Omochore kure kaunti ya Kisii umusko subati Dorifini Buhari ni geso kire na gotogie getambukire kimuraiwensi ya Kenya umuske Daktari William Samoei Ruto asoko Omochora omugusia serieta Steven Saboke uno murikyo botambe ase wizara ya Broadcasting and Telecommunications ase ense ya Kenya gukwana kura Getembe imambia rero umuske Buhari ni gatebire okumusana aba MC bago chiabene kya ase chibunge gosase bikara kare bari bunge ni gento kya botambe na barabu abanyene ni banchaine asabo igatebire ne baba ko mumocha umugavana we county ya Kisii muske Paul Simbarati ni ko bamwanchite na boigo omba musigete ase gasi agendete gokora
kente to tenane ntebyo mwanchi murigere we disagree tore bunge gare ntugotera twenzi abantu mugotwara bari kintu ko divergent opinions bagotwara ebirengereria warengereri ni pali yiga yari ko bayiga uyorengeri ni yari ko bayiga disagree in the house lakini tiri korosi wadui We are very good friends. Njomba tena utokurwana mali tokule na ne mali toko ikagesieli to kama enemies. Nduna basani hapa nene sana. Ane tuanja ini. So in Kisii complications ntubate challenges cha leadership ntubate challenges chambagender we blame different sectors na Nyamira bago tambara akora kende nani ntumkuranki kutoyensa ari mata agree ni challenges chiroro lakini asobu amate between ntu aba MC asaba MC ate aya ubu amate between aba MC uchi aso mu governor umurayuto ubusigaye ntu ntubwati manga igasi kuru oversight mugabana wikamo tena nakita iga ahama gosona disagree opinions lakini nandonyo oli no mugabana one nobuto kwa ntwaseka ndena kini bugana na ngakibono oli ndena ya yento kiriko ikatwale kwa koraiga wikaba nto batuke bawo gokora bawo shitu wake kona riuko na ina ayo kuminyoka utare iga kiro mundawo wake chinkobi you don't know ekero kokora igente kirekia nekiro ekero kokora kireke it's important to arama ntubalia bakora gukritisa then aishati ya uko ipnero waitiga na nyagwa sibeti to sibeti buya iga akaramangate muntu yo arigerio reya la merese osibye yange ya ebendabo nerike karo soka uchisko gare abantu batari korana no muchafuri. Our relationship with the national government is what we used to work for.
Murai we kiama kia ODM Homoske Raila Odinga ni gatebire tagochia kubwatana no mokonye mukorobu murai wensi ya Kenya Homoske Rigathi Gachagua asene banigo atebire Kenya negendete gusika mutwe na mbari no wasemera buna Kenya negendere mpaka asebatagete eikere nebanigo chinga kecho nigo Raila atebire Kenya treika asegetambukiro sasa keranko kire kyo gokora chikura chio bone no bwase kyo gose free and fair elections.
Jana wewe ulikuwa unasema sisi ni nyang'au. Leo wewe unasema sisi sasa leo tumekuwa malaika. Tumebadilika kutoka nyang'au tulikuwa malaika namna gani? Kwa hivyo sisi wenyewe hatuwezi kudanganywa. Tunajua pale tunataka kwenda. Naambia watu wetu wasimame imara. Nina hakika tutafika. Hakika tutafika, lakini hatutaki unafiki ya mtu ambaye anasema hapo mimi tumeweka mtego. Waswahili wasema mtego wa panya ushika waliomo na sio kwemo. Pale tuko sio pale tulikuwa miaka zile zingine, lakini sio pale tunataka kukua. Sasa Kenya iendelee mbele zaidi. Kuna mambo mengi ambayo mabaki ambayo nataka yafanyike. Najua mambo tumekuwa naye pande atakufanya uchaguzi tuko na shida. Hatujafika kile kiwango ambayo unafanya uchaguzi ile ambayo inaitwa free and fair. Lakini wakati itafika. Kwa hivyo mpaka sisi zote tu sacrifice. Hatua ambayo tumechukua tunayajua. Kunataka kuelekea vile vile tunajua. Kuna wengine ambao wanaambia sisi tuendelee pande nyingine hiyo ni mzuri, lakini nasema bwana, jana wewe ulikuwa unasema sisi ni nyang'au. Leo wewe unasema sisi sasa leo tumekuwa malaika. Tumebadilika kutoka nyang'au tulikuwa malaika namna gani? Kwa hivyo sisi wenyewe hatuwezi kudanganywa. Tunajua pale tunataka kwenda. Naambia watu wetu wasimame imara. Nina hakika
na wizara yobone minetugo yotenenere no mosike mtaikawe nigo irachiko tenenere kene irikorigereria emeroberio naboigo amachiko onsi ari ase wizara yo gokwana abuyigora nigo muwaziri mtaikawe atebire nigo barachiko nekyabuna umurimi wekerengo kense ngonyorare obone bwaye bunenchera ya muyigo kinya rigesa naboigo gokora enchera ase chinsemo yensi ya Kenya.
The international market much better than the previous farmers did. There are now youth who have taken over family farms, that are now engaged in direct sales with their colleagues overseas who they have met through the internet. So it's a whole new ball game. And agriculture is not going to fall behind in this technology space. We are going to be part of that future. Because if we are in that future, then people can go about their businesses in Kenya feeling happy about the fact that they have got enough food. I think it has been said before, and I want to repeat here. It is because of the farmer that even you in the media
Omowaziri w'abakore bwa serikali Musike Justin Muturi nigatebire nigarachi gutinenera kene eri kwenekya buna kurwanirare obwene bw'abasai anene muno bari babeire bagochererwo ne serikali asobono atene nagoteba tari gochia gwetigia emirimo buna egatia barai bakumuboria chinga kechecho nigo Musike Muturi atebire nigo arachi kwenekya buna ebikaro by'abawaziri ngutinenera bire goikira ingane yo gocherera no kubwato kw'abasai yarigereriwe n'abasai bukonyora obwene bwabo una eganeire kuro asaba iburi babo na boigo abakenya bonsi.
Sio muhimu. Unajua saa zingine kama tunafanya kazi za wizara sio lazima tukue na kama county commissioner. Surely watu wako na shughuli zao. Utajiuzuru kwa kusema ukweli ama kwa nini? Lazima mtu aseme uzungumze ukweli wako pale. Na kama kuna makosa yoyote niko tayari kusimamia na kuyatetea vilivyo. Mambo ambayo yanahusu utekaji nyara wa watu katika taifa letu la Kenya na wengine kuteswa na wengine pia kupoteza maisha yao imekuwa janga kubwa, na nimeonelea kwamba hilo jambo ni lazima lizungumziwe katika baraza la mawaziri. Furahia kwamba mojawapo ya mambo ambayo yaliwekwa pale ni mambo ya utekaji nyara. Hayo na
Morikio Botambe ase wizara ya mining Elijah Mwangi ojuboigo orache korwa bisi nigo atebire abayiba madini imense ya Kenya babwata obwene boko ya madini anyalioka babwata insurance chikona kebuna mbanchire ne serikali koya amadini chinsemo imense ya Kenya asa atebire bali bonsi barache konyorwa bakoya madini mamincheni nerichiko wose batabwata insurance chichikora kingambanchire nigo barache koimukerirwa egetambukire getindi na nyanigo nigo barache gwakwa obwene ose fine ye chishiringi chimilioni 10 kera oyomo.
Mining without a license, there is a fine of 10 million. But we have gone forward and we have declared anybody found mining, if we are found mining without a license, 1, we are going to arrest, 2, we are going to confiscate the minerals, 3, we are going to confiscate the equipment that you find mining, and number 4, we are going to assess and request that before we discuss anything about license, you pay or what you have stolen from the government. So it is a caution to anybody who is doing mining about the gemstones, specifically savorite is a strategic mineral, but we have had engagements with the miners within this county, and we have promised if you had a license before we declared a savorite as a strategic minerals, you are allowed to continue mining. And in any case, it does not mean that mining of strategic minerals is a contraband. What you need to do is to follow the law. We have strategic minerals regulation, National Mining Corporation regulations, and our Mining Act, and we will guide you, we will assist you so that
na ekerense nkima erobere tuko chengera lituko lyobochene bwomonwa gose World Oral Health Day abo angyo kore no mwanche moredi tukereri go chengerwa chitarike 20 umutinyo katatokero mwaka korenderi umwaka yoiga nigo barachiko babakori chengera litukore angyo abanyagitari ba maino nigo besokire na kuboria eserikali komenta na gokinya enamba yo abanyagitari abo kurika abanyagitari abange kera umwaka mwanche morengo inyore buna ekirenga kyo mwaka yoiga nigo gekare buna omogoko asomono na boigo obosibore asobongo gose a happy mouth is a happy mind.
These persons need to come out to the county government, to the public facilities, to continue to offer services to Kenyans. So the government, mostly the county government, have not done what is right, which is to absorb these persons to continue offering services to Kenyans. So the petitions are reminders to the regulators to enforce standards that no public facility should operate without a dental practitioner as a superintendent or a person in charge of dental care services. So the regulator over time has not set standards that all dental units should be having dentists as persons of the first forefront to provide services.
The team emphasizes on preventive care and its transformative impact on oral health. We are making it our mission to ensure that these practices become a part of daily life for Kenyans. To achieve this, we will work closely with schools, community groups, and health organizations to roll out oral health programs in every corner of the country. Remember that a happy mouth is a happy mind.
This weekend, we're going to have a mega camp at the University of Nairobi grounds, where we'll be having a free dental screening and dental education to all members of the public who are available to come and be seen by a dentist. Because a happy mouth is a happy mind. A happy mind is a happy mouth.
Na togo cha gokorera Ekeonga kerekia International Center for Research on Women ICLW ni ogia konere igatia Mariansa ariara sobone baba swati na boigo abantu bari bamenyete no borema anene monno as sexual and reproductive health na kurwa asbona bachiri mutu na kurobo seme go cha sabasubati na koba omoyo bari bagwetera amakongo kurwase ebinyoro na boigo chinga chiri tokorwa
to realize their sexual reproductive health and rights. And this is because, one, the government has not invested resources for the realization and the implementation of what is guaranteed in the laws. So budget for sexual reproductive health services, including things like family planning, including even accessing delivery services for women.
Unpaid care work really puts women behind. And so as we empower women economically in linkage with SRHR, we also have to make sure that we are looking at the unpaid care work and how it is affecting this advancement. We also have to look at the financing of SRHR. No matter how much you empower women economically, as long as they are paying for SRHR out of pocket with limited insurance, it means you're set.
Nara yo mwancho morigerere kora semese Ekeonga ritkore juma Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo wenge korende Chinsa ikomi ngoko tebia na wengu korire ira bura nichikwera na gega semese Ekeonga ngoretere ayomona yande asenchira yo wenge boigo nchenka tirene Nyaboga Wilson Makori kora somona boy manyeriro Kevin Ongeri nero genda takone kemuna chibiche chigana mariogi ngo ikerachire ayo mwancho morega asenchira yo bo ikerano bye bye tomirane Chinsa ikomi korende aseka getare getambe DJ Ris ngo ikara ime studio anyara koretera Morobiro vibes on vibes na koganire borgero burobuya boigo gendra go twate miro ya Getembe TV eri weseme we manye na boyo bogo kechinga kichonsi.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikete chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.